Looking for a different sauce besides cranberry? Well, I'm gonna make you applesauce with my favorite variety of apple, the opal. Come check it out. I got some apples over here, pre-cut in a pot. Gonna heat them up right here. No specific measurements, because you're just making some great applesauce. Who cares? Just gonna pour a little bit of this water, just enough to get it going. And then I'm gonna show you what it's all about. All I'm doing here, literally, is cutting these apples, dicing them, if you will, into just fat chunks. Because once these apples cook down, they're gonna become soft and mushy and delicious to eat. I got about 6 apples here. A little bit of water in the pan, in the pot. And the last ingredient is cinnamon. You're gonna wanna make sure your lid's on, because the moisture is what's gonna make these apples soft. And you don't want that moisture to evaporate away too quickly, because you'll come up with some burnt apples. No one wants to eat burnt apples. Shh. You can hear the apples bubbling. Ooh. While the apples are cooking, or boiling, simmering, be sure to stir them. Let me show you what that looks like in my giant pan. So while this is cooking down, your apples are gonna get soft, mushy, and it's gonna be great. Now, you can use whatever apples you like. I am using opal apples because that's my favorite apple, but I do have this Lucy Glow apple, which is amazing, and literally this recipe works with any apple. Could use this one because the flavor is crazy and it looks crazy. This is an apple and it's so good. It's like a Slurpee. All right, so the apples have been simmering or boiling for about 12 minutes. What you can do to test to see if it's at your desired crunchiness or softness for the sauce that you're trying to make, let's go ahead and take a bite of this stuff. It's gonna be hot, so be careful. Check it out. Okay, that's good. About 12 minutes. Now, this is the part where I add cinnamon. Oh, wow. That is what apple cinnamon is supposed to smell like. I am telling you right now. Look at that. You see how most of the water came out? Whoa, yeah. Now from here, give it another taste. See if it's got enough cinnamon. Use a little bit more. There we have it. Some boiled apples with some cinnamon on it. I'm calling it applesauce. Check it out. Went ahead and smashed it up a little bit, you know, just to give it that creamy texture that applesauce has. And then you just do this. Ooh. It doesn't need any sweetener, but if you want to, honey, brown sugar, something that'll kind of thicken it up. Maybe make it a little bit more saucy, you know. That's it. Easy mode applesauce.